and welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to understand how to send bulk email confirmations automatically using Gmail for landing page form leads. Yes, so here my objective is whenever any new form submission can be done through my landing page form, then automatically one confirmation mail will be sent to my user's Gmail account. For that, I am going to create an integration between my landing page form and Gmail, and that will only possible with the help of automation software named as Pabbly Connect. But before moving forward, now I'll give you a quick overview of how this automation will work and how this automation will be used in real time. For that, I am going to fill this form that I have already created before, where I am going to enter all the test details in this field. At first, the full name I provide is test user, then the email address I provide is pat@pabblytudes.com. After that, I am giving one test contact number, then the subscription name I share as Pabbly Connect. After that, I am going to simply click on the Submit Now button. See, my form is submitted successfully. Now we will check our Gmail account that we have received the confirmation mail or not. Here I am refreshing it. See, I have received the mail 0 minutes ago, which includes my details that I have shared while filling the form, that is the name as test user, my email address, contact number, and the subscription name as Pabbly Connect. So if you want to do this type of automation that whenever any new form submission can be done through your landing form, then instantly one confirmation mail will be sent to your user's Gmail account without you doing any manual efforts, then you have to follow step-by-step instructions that I am giving you in this video. So let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/connect. So here you are on the official page of Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect is an all-in-one automation tool that's help you to automate and integrate multiple applications without requiring any coding or programming skills. Now I'll give you a quick review about Pabbly community. So this is right over here is Pabbly community, where automation users, business owners, and marketers connect. If you face any issue while using the Pabbly, then you can share your doubts here, and the people who are facing similar problem just like you or even the Pabbly team members will help you out. So if you want to join this amazing community, then I'll provide the link of this community in the description box. You can check out. Now we will get back to the landing page of Pabbly Connect. Here on the right hand side, you can see two options are there. The one is sign in and the another is sign up free option. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up free option and get 100 free tasks to explore the software. If you are an existing user, then you can click on sign in option. Since I am an existing user, so I am clicking on the sign in option. So here you can see these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their users. As we are doing an integration between the applications, so I am going in this Pabbly Connect box by clicking Access Now button. So this is the dashboard of Pabbly chart flow, where you can create and manage all of your automation workflows in one place, where you can see your task allotted, your task consumed, your task remaining, and the free task consumed. And in this folder section, you can create multiple folders into your Pabbly Connect account by clicking on this plus option, where you have to provide the folder name in this field and also select the parent folder from here. As we are creating a new workflow, so I am going to click on this plus create workflow button. When I click on it, it will ask me to select the workflow builder while providing me two, that is new beta and the classic version. It is a modern, faster and more flexible, while the another one is for stable and familiar approach. I am creating this workflow with the help of this new beta version, so I am selecting this. Then you can see it will ask me to provide the workflow name, so I am providing the workflow name as send bulk email confirmations automatically using Gmail for landing page form leads. After that, the folder I select as Pabbly Connect. After that, I am going to click on this create button. Here you can see our workflow is created successfully. Now this is right over here is the most important step of doing any automation, that is trigger. Trigger says when this happen, where you have to select your trigger application. This is your first application. So for selecting your trigger application, you have to simply click on this plus option, where you have to search your app. Here I am going to take my trigger application as Webbook by Pabbly, so I am searching it. Here I selected. After that, the app event I select as Sketch Webbook. After that, you have to simply click on this connect button. Here you can see it will provide you one Webbook URL that you have to copy from here. Now for connecting my landing page to my Pabbly Connect, I am going to paste this URL into my landing page form code. So now I am going to take you to my notepad, where I have written my landing page code. So this is the code of my landing page form, where you have to scroll down, and here in this field, that is the fetch, you have to paste the webhook URL that you have copied from your Pabbly Connect. So at first I am removing this webhook URL from here and paste the URL that I have copied from Pabbly Connect. Here I pasted. After that I am going to save this file. Here it is saved. Now I am opening this form into my Chrome browser. So see, here I have opened my form. Now here you can see it is waiting for a webhook response. So for getting this webhook response, I am going to again fill this form by entering my details here. At this time I am providing my full name as dummy user. After that, the email address I provide as dummyuser@pabblytudes.com. After that, I am giving one test contact number and the subscription name as Pabbly Connect. After that, I am going to simply click on the submit button. Here you can see my form is submitted. Now we will check our workflow that we have received the response or not. See, I have received the response just now. That means my landing page form is successfully connected to my Pabbly Connect. Now the setting up of our trigger application is done. After that, in the next, I am going to take my action application as Gmail. For that, I am clicking on this plus option, where I am searching the app as Gmail, because I want to send instant confirmation mails to my user's Gmail account. After that, the app event I select as send email. After that, I am going to click on this connect button. Here you can see it will provide you two options, that is add new connection and select existing connection. If you don't have existing connection, then you can click on this add new connection and sign in with Google. Here I have an existing connection, so I am clicking on the select existing connection button. After that, I am simply clicking on the save button. Here you can see my Gmail account is successfully connected to my Pabbly Connect. After that, you have to write the sender name in this field that I am going to write as Pabbly team. Nextly, as soon as you have connected your Gmail account to your Pabbly Connect, it will automatically select the sender email address from here. You can also enable this toggle if you don't want to do the mapping manually. This will help you to do the mapping automatically. Now the next field is the recipient email address. In this, I am going to do the mapping of the response that I have received from my previous application, that is the webhook by Pabbly, where I get the response from my landing page form. So here I am searching my user's Gmail address. Here I selected. Now mapping is the most important step of doing any automation, as it makes data dynamic. As different users have different data, so for capturing their data dynamically, mapping is used. In simple words, mapping makes data dynamic. After that, the CC, BCC and reply to is not a required field, so I am leaving this blank and directly writing the email subject in this email subject field. Here I write that is your subscription is confirmed. After that, I am going to write the email content in this field. Here I write my email content. Now after this thank you, I want my username. For that, I am simply click on here and searching my username from my previous responses, that is the dummy user. Here with the help of this, whenever my user will provide me their name while filling the form, then automatically my bot will capture their response and mention their name in this email content. After that, now I am going to map some more fields, that is the in front of name. I want my username, so here I am also doing the mapping of the name. Then the front of this contact number, I am going to map the number. After that, for the subscription name, I am going to map the subscription name, and also in this email field, I am going to map the email. Here I map. With the help of this mapping, automatically then the mail will send each of the user's Gmail account. Then it will mention their specific provided data in this field. Now here I mapped all the fields. I created this email content in the HTML format, so I am selecting the email content type as HTML. You can also generate your HTML content by clicking on this here below, and also a complete tutorial of how to create HTML content is mentioned there. After that, the labels I select as inbox. Then if you want to attach any file with your mail, then you can write the file name in this field. Also attach the URL here. After that, you can also enable this toggle to get the response in the simple format. Now at last, I am going to click on the save and send test request button. Here you can see it is saved successfully. See, I have received the positive response. Now we will check our Gmail account that we have received the confirmation mail or not. Here I am again refreshing it. See, I have received one mail 0 minutes ago which includes all the details that I have selected while doing the mapping. That is the name as dummy user, email address, contact number and the subscription name. Here I have done this as a test example. You can modify your email content completely based on your choice. Now we will get back to our workflow. Here the setup of our action application is also done. After that, now our workflow is completed. After the completion of your workflow, you have to make sure that to enable this toggle. If you don't enable this toggle, then your workflow will be disabled and it will not work. So make sure that always enable this toggle. This automation will not only save your time but also send instant confirmation mail to your users without you doing any manual efforts. If you face any difficulties on the creation of this automation, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. I also provide the link of this workflow in the description box. You can check out. And the best part is this automated workflow is created without requiring any single line of code, and it will only possible with the help of automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can do multiple integration of many applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Connect, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/connect #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.